guys, so I'm back here with Melody, founder of EatDrinkMomo, and she's going to teach us how to make a very simple breakfast that can be made on the go.
Yes, so let's start off with a on-the-go smoothie that I make every day because I'm always on the run. I feel like everyone is these days. So it's very important to make something where it's super quick to make. You have all your essential nutrients like protein, all your vitamins as well, and then you just grab it to go.
And fiber, I see.
Yes, yeah. A lot of fiber too. Should we start?
Yes, so tell us what we have here exactly.
Okay, so here we have a combination of kale and spinach. They're both really high in vitamins A, fiber, potassium, magnesium. You get your daily greens. And this one is a vegan protein powder that my nutritionist recommends. It's not just protein, actually. There's a bunch of minerals and all the essential nutrients that you actually need. If you read the ingredient list, it's super long. It's super long.
And another reason why I love EatDrinkMomo almond milk is because it makes such a great smoothie base. It's so creamy, right?
Right. So I think the trick to a good smoothie is really having the good milk instead of using water because it doesn't taste as good. All right, and obviously we have our signature almond milk, which has 9 grams of protein on its own. And we have 2 tablespoons of MCT oil. MCT oil comes from coconut oil, and it's a great source of fat. And I think you need fat in your diet to regulate your blood sugar and all of that. And to make it yummy, we have frozen bananas, frozen pineapple, and frozen mango.
Yum!
Yay!
So do we just throw everything in?
Yeah, so we start off with the milk, and then we throw in the non-frozen stuff, and then we blend it first, and then you turn it up to a higher speed, and then you blend up the fruit.
Okay, show us how it's done.
Okay. All right, so do you want to open this fresh bottle for me? Okay, so we're gonna put Momo almond milk. Since we have 2 people, I'll just put all of it. Okay, and we're gonna add the spinach and the kale. So this is a great base.
And then the protein powder, right?
Yes, and then the protein powder.
All of it?
Yeah. Yes. And then we have 2 scoops of oil, MCT oil. It's really good for you. A lot of people are so scared of drinking oil, but honestly, you need it. Okay, and then we blend it.
It smells good. Is that the protein?
That's the protein, yeah.
Oh, it smells really good.
Yeah, this one's really good. Okay, now we blend.
On low, right?
Yeah. So after you blend the base, now we're gonna add the frozen fruit. So it's bananas, mango, and pineapple. All right. Okay. Again.
On high.
Yeah. So you go, and then you go here.
Wow, it looks really smooth.
Yes. Now it's done. We just take it out, put it in your bowl.
Wow, it looks so creamy.
It's so creamy. I love it.
Delicious too. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's so good.
It's so creamy.
It's so good.
The vegan powder is so good. Obviously the milk makes it super, super, super creamy.
It's so good. Well, I could have this every day.
I have this every day.